Hey guys, about a month and a half ago I uploaded a tutorial on how to create a macrame spiral. I received a few questions asking how to add the spiral to your wall hanging, so today I'm going to show you how to do this. Starting on the right of your work, tie a double half hitch knot around the filler cord within your spiral. Continue to tie a row of double half hitch knots moving to the left of your work. Depending on your desired look, you can either leave it as is or tuck in the ends into the back of the double half hitch knots on the spiral. This will make your spiral hang tight to your wall hanging. Thanks so much for watching. I love to see your work, so please feel free to tag me on Instagram if you've used one of my tutorials. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up below, and if you have any feedback, please feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials.